Today feels a little better. I want a peaceful day. I want the kids to smile again.
Yes, my love, we all need a happy day. Let's go for a family picnic.
Anna, are we going somewhere today? Mom looks calmer now.
I think Dad has a plan. I hope it is something happy.
Max, we will go out today. We need fresh air and peace. Mom, are you still worried about Grandma? I miss her a lot.
Anna, we will go for a picnic today. It will help our hearts feel lighter.
Dad, will Grandma be okay soon?
I still feel scared sometimes.
We should pack simple food. Sandwiches, fruit, and juice. Yes.
Yes, and we need a blanket too. We will go to the quiet park.
Dad, I want to help you pack. I can carry the apples.
Thank you, Max. That is very kind. You are helping our family.
Mom, I want to help too. I can wash the fruit.
Thank you, Anna. You are so sweet. I feel proud of you. I still think about Grandma every minute. My heart feels heavy sometimes.
I know. You love her so much. We will stay strong together.
Anna, do you think Mom will smile today? I want her to be happy.
She will smile. We are together. Love makes people strong.
Everything is ready. Let's go now. The weather is nice and warm.
Yes, let's go. I need this day. I want peace in my heart.
The trees look so green today. It feels like a new start.
Yes, it feels peaceful. I like quiet rides like this.
You are doing well today. I can see you are trying.
I am trying, yes. Thank you for staying close to me.
We are here, Max. This park is quiet. It is a good place for a picnic.
Wow, it is so big and beautiful. Mom, the air smells nice. I like this place.
Yes, the fresh air feels good. Thank you for holding my hand.
Let's sit under that big tree. It will keep us cool.
Good idea. I like the shade. It feels safe and calm.
Dad, I will hold this side.
Great job, Max. Hold it tight.
The blanket is big.
We will make it smooth.
I feel calmer here. My chest feels less tight.
I'm happy, Mom. I want you to feel better.
The food looks nice. We did well. Simple food is the best.
Yes, it is perfect. Thank you for helping me today. The sandwiches look yummy. I feel hungry now.
Me too. I like grapes and apples. This picnic feels special.
I miss Grandma so much. But today I feel hope.
Yes, hope is important. We will visit Grandma again soon.
Mom, this sandwich tastes so good.
I'm happy you like it, Max.
I feel warm inside today.
Me too. Your smile helps my heart.
Dad, do you think Grandma misses us?
Yes, Anna, she misses you very much.
I want to hug her again soon.
You will. We will visit her again.
The wind sounds soft. It feels like a hug.
Mom, you look calmer now.
Yes, I feel peace for a moment.
I like seeing you like this.
Max, do you like this picnic?
Yes, Dad. I really like it.
I wanted to give you a happy day.
Thank you. I needed this day too.
I remember Grandma's voice.
Yes, her voice is gentle and kind.
She always told me, be strong.
And you are strong. You are doing it.
Anna, the park feels so quiet. Yes, it feels safe here. I wish Grandma could sit with us. Me too. I want her to smile with us.
I want to take a photo of you today.
Me? I don't look perfect.
You look beautiful because you are trying.
Thank you. That makes me feel loved.
Mom, you look happy in this photo.
Really?
I am surprised.
Yes. Your smile is small but real.
Dad, I still feel worried sometimes.
That is normal, Max. Worry is a human feeling.
I think about Grandma at night.
Me too. But we will stay hopeful.
I am trying to breathe slowly.
That is good.
Slow breathing helps the heart.
I feel less pain inside when I breathe.
Dad, I feel scared about hospitals.
I understand, Anna.
Hospitals can feel scary.
The quiet halls make me nervous.
Anna, I also feel scared sometimes.
Really, Max? I thought you were brave.
I try to be brave, but I feel fear too.
Thank you. I feel less alone now.
Look at them. They are so sweet.
Yes. They love each other.
They are learning kindness from this time.
Yes. Pain can teach love.
Do you want to call Grandma now?
Can we? Is she awake?
The nurse said she is resting, but she can talk.
Yes, please. I want to hear her voice. Mom, it's me. I miss you so much.
My dear, I miss you too.
We are at a picnic. We are thinking about you. Grandma, it's Anna. I miss you so much.
My little girl, I miss you
Please
too.
get better soon. I want to hug you.
I will try.
Hearing her voice helped me.
Yes. Her voice is like medicine for
I
you.
feel hope again. Real hope.
Good. We will keep that hope alive.
Grandma sounded weak, but she sounded kind.
Yes, but she sounded happy too.
I think she felt our love.
I know she did. Love travels far.
This picnic is helping me.
I'm happy, Mom.
I feel like I can breathe again.
Yes. We are healing together.
Max, do you want to walk with me?
Yes, Dad. I want to walk.
Let's take a slow walk and talk.
Okay. I like talking with you.
Anna, thank you for being gentle today.
Mom, I want to help you.
Your love makes me feel safe.
And your love makes me feel safe too.
Max, do you see this flower?
Yes, Dad. It is small but pretty.
It grows even after rain and wind.
Like us. We are still growing too. Dad, I want to be kinder now.
That is a beautiful promise, Max.
I want to help Mom and Anna more.
You can. Small actions are big love.
Grandma said my love gives her strength.
Yes, Anna, your words are powerful.
I want to write her a card.
That is a wonderful idea.
I talked with Max. He feels hopeful.
That makes me happy.
And you, how do you feel now?
I feel lighter. I feel loved.
Anna, let's make something for Grandma.
Yes, let's write a card for her.
We can tell her about our picnic.
And we can tell her we love her.
I will write, Dear Grandma, we miss you.
Yes, and write, please get better soon.
I will also write, We are waiting for you.
Anna, this card is beautiful.
Thank you, Mom. I wrote it with love.
Grandma will cry happy tears.
I hope she feels warm inside.
Max, you helped Anna very well.
Yes, Dad. I wanted to help.
Grandma will feel proud of you.
I want Grandma to know I love her.
The day is going fast.
Yes, but we had a good time.
I feel thankful for this picnic.
Me too. It helped our family.
Anna, let's fold it neatly. Yes, Max. Let's do it together. I don't want Mom to do everything. Me too. We should help more.
Look at them helping us.
Yes. They are growing in kindness.
This makes my heart feel warm.
Mine too. This is family love.
Did you enjoy the picnic, Anna?
Yes, Dad. I enjoyed it a lot. I'm happy to hear that.
I feel calm now. My fear is smaller.
Mom, I like holding your hand.
I like it too, Max.
I don't want you to feel alone.
Thank you. You make me feel safe.
I feel tired, but it is a good tired.
Yes. Peace can also make us tired.
Thank you for this day.
Thank you for trying. I love you.
Anna, we will give this card to Grandma. Yes, we will take it soon. I want her to know about our picnic. And I want her to know we are waiting.
We will take this to Grandma tomorrow.
Really, Mom? That makes me happy.
Yes, she will love it.
I can't wait to see her smile.
Max, today you were kind and calm.
Thank you, Dad. I tried my best.
I am proud of you.
I want to be a good son and brother. Thank you for watching our family story today. Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Bye!